Hello YouTube. Today I will be showing you how to use screen recording on your iPhone. It comes in built into your iOS device. So you want to go into your settings and you want to go down to Control Center and then tap Customize Controls. And just for the purpose of this video, let me remove this. So when you first come into this section, you want to scroll down and you'll see screen recording, and you want to tap the plus sign beside it. And so this will add screen recording and you will be able to access this through your control center. So you want to go into your control center, and as you can see, I'm using that option right now. So this icon will appear in your control center. And if you long press and hold on to this icon, and you'll get an option of microphone. So you can turn the microphone on and it'll audio record and screen record at the same time. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.